In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom background in DuckDuckGo. Personalizing your browser can make your daily browsing experience feel more comfortable and visually appealing. DuckDuckGo allows you to customize the appearance of your home screen by changing the background and even uploading your own image. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to set a custom wallpaper step by step so you can give your browser a more personal touch. To begin, open the DuckDuckGo browser and navigate to the home screen. You can do this by selecting the Home button located at the top left area of the browser interface. This will take you directly to the main start page where customization options are available. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the bottom right corner and click on the Customize option. This will open a panel that allows you to adjust different visual settings of your browser, including the background appearance. Inside the customization menu, find the section labeled Background. Here, you will see several options available for changing how your home screen looks. These options typically include default backgrounds, solid colors, gradients, and the ability to add your own background image. To use a custom image, select the option that allows you to add a background. After choosing this option, the browser will prompt you to select a file from your device. This is where you can browse through your folders and locate the image you want to use as your wallpaper. Once you find your preferred image, select it. The browser will then apply it as your new background on the home screen. You may need to wait a moment for the image to load and adjust properly, depending on its size and resolution. After the image is applied, you will immediately see your customized background on the DuckDuckGo home screen. This change helps create a more personalized browsing environment and can make the interface feel more engaging and unique to your style. If at any point you want to change the background again, you can return to the same customization menu and choose a different image or switch back to one of the default options. And that's all there is to it. By accessing the home screen, opening the Customize menu, and selecting a background image from your device, you can easily set a custom wallpaper in DuckDuckGo. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.